Badeng, saan ka punta? Chares. Hi guys, share ko nga pala itong experience namin dito sa Friends Exhibit. Kung hindi nyo man alam yon, yung Friends is yung sitcom way back 1994 up until 2004. And nag-exhibit sila dito. And yes, habang papunta kami sa venue, nag-window shopping muna kami. And gala-gala. And ito na po yung entrance kung saan yung Friends Exhibit. And we're so excited by that time. Kaya nag-picture-picture muna kami dyan sa spot na yan. And finally, nakarating na kami sa first stop. By the way, ang unang venue is yung apartment ni Chandler and Joey, kung saan sila nakatira for a long time. Diyan nga pala yung, yung table nila, yung foosball. Ito yung iconic bar conlonger nilang dalawa. And here's the quick apartment tour ng dalawa. Ayan, si Hugsy, bedtime pal. And syempre yung mga gamit nila. And there you go. And si Stevie the TV. Ito yung mga memorabilia nila. Yung mga dart and everything. Fairness, nakakapagod pala mag-voice over ha. Ito na, second stop. Yung apartment naman ni Monica. Here's a quick tour. Ayan, yung pinakamalalang setting ng Friends, yung apartment. Pero yun nga, nagutom na kasi yung friend ko kaya medyo na kami. Nagmadali na kami. Next stop is yung Central Perk. Ito yung pangalawang laging tambayan nila. And dito laging kumakanta si Phoebe Buffay. Dito nagtrabaho si Joey and of course si Rachel. Yun lang. Goodbye, bitch.
So, how's the experience?
Yo,
How's the experience?
it's very friendship.
It's very surreal. Surreal! And it's very fantastic. Fantastic! It's very
It's very amazing.
amazing!